RAM Tools is a supplier. Supplier power tools, accessories and hand tools to all the shops, to industry, to web shops, to retail, and we making distribution as well. Forgeflow is a partner who implement to our Odoo system DDMRP solution.
These days, after the DDMRP implementation, it is easy to work. We have time to think, now we have time to plan, in some cases to try to reinvent the ways we receive the products, to deal with logistics.
Forgeflow, we have very good experience when I could say it's almost the first time when we fit into the three main parameters, let's say. It's in time, in budget, and the quality what we expect. I think the Forgeflow service is a very good match to our needs. So I think that trading companies could be best fit with the services because we are the trading company, and the warehouses, the logistics is very important part in our business.